This is how to play with lifted hands by One Small Six. The original key of the song is the key of F, but in this video I'll be showing you guys how to play the song using the key of C sharp. So I'm just going to play it a little bit on the key of F so that you can remember it, and then I'll break it down after on the key of C sharp. So on the key of F it says, with lifted hands we worship you. With lifted hands we worship you. Okay, so let's break it down on the key of C sharp. So on the key of C sharp, it starts right on this chord. Okay, it starts right here. This is our number 1 on the major scale of the key of C sharp, but it's a first inversion. It's C sharp major, first inversion. Okay, so from 1, it goes to 2, first inversion. Okay, 1, 2. This is our number 2 on the major scale of the key of C sharp, but it's a first inversion. Okay, it's a first inversion. I believe everyone can see it. This is D sharp minor, first inversion. So from 2, it goes to this chord. This is C sharp major, second inversion. Okay, it's also our number 1, but it's a second inversion. So from here, it goes to our number 4 down here. Okay, this is our number 4, which is also known as F sharp major, but it's a second inversion. Okay, F sharp major, second inversion. Let me start again. I said it's 1, first inversion, 2, first inversion, 1 again, but a second inversion, and then it goes down to 4, second inversion. Okay, this is what it says, with lifted hands. And then from 4, it goes to 6, right here. Okay, this is our number 6. It's a second inversion. It's A sharp minor, second inversion. And then from 6, it goes to 5, which is this chord. This is G sharp major, but it's also a second inversion. And then from 5, it goes back to our first chord, C sharp major, first inversion. Okay, let me start again for the last time. With lifted hands. From 4, you go to 6. We will 5, back to 1. You. Okay, let's introduce the bass. When you play your first chord on the right, on the left you go to 1. When you play your number 1 on the right, on the left you also go to 1. When you go to 2 on the right, on the left you go to 7. When you go to your number 1, second inversion on the right, on the left you go to flat 7. Okay, or you can just call it B. And then from here, you go to 4, both on the left and on the right. Let me start again. On the left, I said it's 1, 7, flat 7, 4. When you go to 6 on the right, on the left you also go to 6. When you go to 5 on the right, on the left you also go to 5. And then when you go to 1, on the left you also go to 1. For the last time. 6, 5, 1. Okay, we are done with our first part. There is a second part. It says, we bow before only na 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 na. Okay, so let's break down our second part. Our second part starts right on this chord. This is our number 5. It's G sharp major. It's not an inversion, it's a root chord. Okay, From 5, it goes to number 1, second inversion. From 1, it goes to 2. Our number 2 is a second inversion. Sorry. It's a second inversion. From here, it goes back to 1. Okay, let me repeat it again. 5, 1, 2, 1. And then you repeat it again for the second time. 5, 1, 2, 1. And then you're gonna play with lifted hands. We already covered that part. So let's introduce the bass on our second part. When you play your number 5 on the right, on the left you're going to play 7. Okay, when you go to number 1, second inversion on the right, on the left you're going to 1. When you go to 2 on the right, on the left you also go to 2. When you go back to 1 on the right, on the left you go to 3. Let me repeat it again for the last time. I said it's 7 on the left, it's 7, 1, 2, 3. And then from here, when you repeat again for the second time, on the left you're gonna change, you're gonna play. Okay, you're gonna play 5, 4, 3. Okay, but I want you to listen to the timing very, very careful. So let me start again. I said it's 7, 1, 2, 3, and then you change. Ba, 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 ba. Okay? Okay? I'm gonna do it again for the last time. Please listen carefully. Na 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 ni ni ne. Na 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 na, and then here on our knees we worship you. Okay, I believe you learned something from this video. If you did, please drop a like. If you haven't subscribed, please do. Until we meet again, God bless you.